Here's how to hide and unhide Instagram Reels from your profile grid. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. And if you posted a Reel and you don't want anyone else to be able to see it, maybe you want to hide it from your profile or to reveal it and unhide it, we can do so by tapping on the profile at the bottom right. And let's scroll down. You can see here a couple different Reels. You can indicate those by the little video symbol at the top right. Now let's go through the process of hiding it and then unhiding it. So I can tap on the reel and then tap on the three dots at the top right and hit remove from main grid. You'll be able to see after I've done that, it no longer appears here, and essentially I've removed it from my profile. However, I can always get it back by tapping on the reel icon here, the second option, tapping on that video, again tapping on those three dots, and then let's just hit the add to main grid. After you've done that, if I go back out of here and refresh, you'll be able to see that reel or that video is back added or unhid from my main grid.